Hi, I'll show you a mind reading card trick. I uploaded my first video yesterday, and can you please subscribe and like for more videos? Go onto my channel, and my name is Haminator Magic. Do all of these things for more card tricks and card flourish tutorials. I'll show you the magic trick, then show you how to do it. Okay, so I'll show you the performance of this mind reading card trick. Simple. Okay, so I'll shuffle the cards. Okay, so get you to pick a card. Pick one. Yep, got it. Okay, put it in. Don't know what it is. Okay, so spread out the cards. Okay, found it. The Joker. There you go. Okay, so I'll tell you how to do it. It's simple, there's no setup. So you can shuffle the cards if you want. I'm just shuffling to prove that there's no setup or anything. So yeah, so you tell the spectator to pick a card. So you can pick a card. So they pick the card. I can see it. The Ace of Spades, my favourite card. And then when they're looking at the card, you look at the card there. So the card you cut, so you look at that card. So that's the Seven of Hearts. That's the Seven of Hearts there. And then, so that's the key card. So when you spread out the cards, you're just looking for the Seven of Hearts, which is here. And then the card just to the right, it will be their card all the time unless you shuffle it. And then, so the Ace of Spades is their card, and then you just pick it out, and then it should always be their card and gets great reactions. So, hope you like it. See ya.